A common problem when loading PDFs or artwork files, even Illustrator files from external sources, is that certain fonts may be missing. I'm going to close this standard Adobe dialog, and I'm going to first of all go to the Vector First Aid panel to fix all known issues in this PDF. This will help clarify the file. Having clicked on the Fix All button, I will now have a look at this text which has been highlighted in this pink annotation. This means this text is being rendered with the default font in Illustrator because it hasn't got access to the original font. There isn't actually anything wrong with this editable text, it is just the display of the font. So all I'm going to do is change this font to something I have got. I go over to the Vector First Aid panel, and on the top button section, I'm going to click on the Replace Font button. And instantly, all the unknown fonts are replaced by the default fonts in the document. Now I'm going to undo this, and I can go back to that button, and holding down the Option or Alt key, I'm able to determine which font it is going to be replaced with. This is not attempting to match the original font in any way, it's just allowing me to quickly access the editable text in a very clear manner. To make the editable text even clearer, I'm going to go to the Direct Select tool, and I'm going to demonstrate that the text which has been brought in has been broken up from the original paragraph into words, lines, or even separated lines as well. I want to combine this into one single paragraph again with great ease. So once again, I'm going to go to the Vector First Aid panel, and I'm going to use the Combine Text button, but before I click on it, I'm going to hold down the Option or Alt key again, so I can determine what is acceptable when combining into paragraphs. In this case, I'm going to lower the tolerance so that I'm combining more text lines into a single paragraph, and I'll click on the OK button. Now when I return to the Text tool, you can see I can easily select this whole paragraph as one.